Hey YouTube. Okay, so today we have this beautiful home and it is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. It has a lot of nice features. So this home has a loft, which is really cool. Okay, so as we come in, I'm just gonna close the door because I don't want to get kidnapped. Okay, so as you come in, you see this lovely fireplace. Oh, look at my nails. You see this lovely fireplace. This is gonna be so nice for like in the winter time because we get a lot of snow. So it's gonna be nice and cozy having this. Now I keep showing my nails. Okay, anyways. This is like an open floor concept. It's a lot of space. It's super long. This is gonna be your dining table. I love this panel wall. Like, look at this. Very pretty. Check out the lights as well. Look at these 3 windows. It just brings a lot of natural light. It's really bright in here. Okay, so this is the pantry. You have this nice sliding door, which is really cool. All right, and this is the kitchen. I love this island right here. Great for entertaining. If you have like catering, you can fit all the food here. So this doesn't have appliances. There's no fridge or a dishwasher. But the buyer gets a $2,000 credit to get the appliances himself. So this is the back entrance. Look at this amount of just closet space for your coat, shoes. This is a half bath. There is a gas stove, which is great. I know some people love the gas stove and prefer it to the electric. You have a nice sink here. It's a detached garage, as you can see. Yeah, they need to cut the grass, but I'm sure they will do that. But check out these lights over here, these lights fixtures. Okay, let's see upstairs. But look at these floors. By the way, those are quartz countertops. All right, let's check upstairs. So this is a 3-level because it has a nice loft upstairs, which you'll see. Okay, first bedroom. Not bad, not bad. The bathroom. It's like a Jack and Jill situation because it connects to this one. Okay. So this is the second one, second bedroom. Okay, let's check out the laundry. Again, no appliances, no laundry, but the $2,000 should cover it. I don't know if it's enough though, but you can probably negotiate that with the seller. So this is the primary bedroom. The accent wall. Beautiful window. The primary bathroom. A bit small, could be bigger. But you do have double sinks. Nice floors, easy to clean. Separate toilet, I always like that. Nice to close the door. And then there's the closet. So it's like a nice wardrobe here. Nice drawers. And I think, yeah, they go pretty deep. Okay, a vanity for like makeup. All right, So this is the second floor up to the third. This is my favorite part of the house, but it's not done yet. They're still working on it. Ooh, this place echoes. As you can see, they're still working on it. But it's so bright. This can be used as a rec room, a game room, or just a family room, but I mean, it's great for entertainment. Let me show you outside. Look at this view. And it's so quiet. Again, like they're still working on stuff. Okay, back inside. I'm gonna take you guys to the basement, but I want to turn off the lights up here first. Okay, let's check out the basement. So as you can see by the back, it has a separate entrance, which is great. Double income, or not double income, a passive income, extra income. So it has a nice walkway. So if you're renting down the basement or you want to use it as an Airbnb, again, separate entrance. They will come from here. So they have no access to your own place. This is fully done, which is great. Moved in ready. The minute you move in, just rent out your basement or put on Airbnb. It is nice and cold here, which is great for summertime. So there's the kitchen. Again, no appliances, but negotiable for the $2,000 that they'll be providing for them. Good sized kitchen. Yeah, a lot of cabinet space. So you can rent this out to like a couple or something, or a student. It is a 1-bedroom. Yeah, but it's a nice bedroom, good size. It can definitely fit a queen size bed. Maybe not a king, but a queen size for sure. Okay, let's see this closet. Not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. But yeah, and then it has its own bathroom. So I guess this is where the laundry might go to, I believe. Or where else could the laundry go to? Maybe here? I don't know. But yeah, no, I think it's gonna be here. Yeah, because it's gonna be hooked up to that. Yeah, extra storage space, which is great. But yeah, thank you guys for joining me on this tour. And if you have any more questions regarding this property, just email me. All the information should be in the description. But yeah, join me for the next one. And like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for your support. All right, bye.